Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by equipping a hatchet or handsaw and moving to a suitable tree. You need a tool with durability so it actually breaks wood. Once positioned, face the trunk and use the attack input in short bursts to avoid tool breakage, because rapid swings waste durability. Make sure you monitor your encumbrance and inventory slots as you collect logs, since full weight will slow movement and prevent further gathering, which interrupts your workflow. Once you've taken a few hits, move to the next tree to distribute wear across trees and extend tool life. This balances efficiency and durability. If your hatchet nears zero, repair it using a repair kit or craft a replacement from scrap metal and wood at a crafting bench, because maintaining tools keeps progress steady. Make sure to drop non-essential items or stash logs in nearby containers to avoid over-encumbrance and to keep gathering You finish by moving logs back to your base. If you have many logs, use a vehicle or makeshift transport to save trips and stamina. Once at a workbench, convert logs into planks for construction, because planks are the usable resource for building. If collected logs disappear, first suspect server lag or persistent settings, then check inventory limits and storage ownership. Reconnect or relog after confirming the item was not dropped or destroyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.